push-up exercise, a fundamental body weight movement that trains strength, stability, and alignment. Side view, body alignment and joint angles. Full body alignment, top position, plank. Imagine one straight line. Head, shoulders, hips, knees, ankles. Head neutral, chin slightly tucked. Spine neutral, no sagging, no arching. Hips aligned with shoulders, ankles. Joint angles top. Spine, 0 degrees, neutral, shoulder flexion. 90 degrees, elbow extension. About 180 degrees, not hyperlocked. Wrists, under shoulders, 90 degrees extension. Ankles, toes dorsiflexed. Bottom position, lowering phase. Elbows, 45 degrees from torso. Elbow flexion, 90 degrees. Chest, slightly above floor. Core, braced. Front view, symmetry and control. Alignment cues are front view, head centered. Shoulders level. Elbows track about 30-45 degrees from torso. Wrists stacked under shoulders. No twisting or hip shift. Weight evenly distributed between both hands. Bone movement pattern, lowering eccentric. Humerus moves into horizontal abduction. Elbows flex. Scapula retracts slightly. Core stabilizes spine. Pressing up concentric. Elbows extend. Shoulders horizontally adduct. Scapula protracts slightly. Spine remains neutral. Muscles working during push-up. Primary movers. Pectoralis major, main chest muscle. Triceps brachii, elbow extension. Anterior deltoid, shoulder flexion. Scapular muscles. Serratus anterior, keeps shoulder blades stable. Rhomboids, control descent. Trapezius, scapular stabilization. Core and lower body stabilizers. Rectus abdominis. Transverse abdominis. Obliques. Erector spinae. Gluteus maximus. Quadriceps. Push-ups are actually a moving plank plus chest press combined. Muscle engagement flow. Lowering. Chest and triceps lengthen under control. Bottom. Core tight, elbows 90 degrees, body straight. Press up. Chest plus triceps contract. Serratus stabilizes. Core prevents sagging. Common mistakes. Hips sagging. Butt too high. Elbows flaring wide. Neck craning up. Incomplete range of motion. Simple coaching cue. Straight line body. Elbows 45 degrees, chest to floor. Press the ground away. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.